rise through hunger, word or right that briefly feels reborn. Some open doors that shimmer bright yet fade like early mist. They promise sight but pull the mind toward what cannot persist. Not every power leads to truth, not every light is clear. Some bind the heart to passing worlds and keep the soul too near. The path that steadies, cleanses, and lifts moves slowly, deep and sure. Through discipline and inward fire, the highest gifts endure. The lower realms can shape a dream that feels both fast and real, yet leaves the seeker turned around, unsure of what to feel. True strength unfolds through patient work, through stillness, breath, and grace. It clears the mind and tunes the heart to guidance without trace. Not every power leads to truth, not every light is clear. Some bind the heart to passing worlds and keep the soul too near. The path that steadies, cleanses, and lifts moves slowly, deep and sure. Through discipline and inward fire, the highest gifts endure. The quiet will, the steady aim, aligned with higher law, refines the mind, restores the field where truth is clearly drawn. No shortcut taken, no desire fed, no thrill that clouds the way. The deeper powers rise as tools for service, not display. True gifts unfold when self grows still and purpose stands refined. They serve the whole, not ego's reach or hunger of the mind. Aligned with what is lasting, clear beyond the lure of gain. The soul unfolds